I recently ordered a CNC 3018 from Banggood. It arrived yesterday. I've opened up the box and I'm trying to put it together. Here's all my paperwork so you can see the product codes and shipping information. Now, in the manual, at a bunch of places, it refers to spacers, which are washers. Supposed to use washers. Here you can see I'm supposed to use washers. Everywhere there's certain things being done, you're supposed to use washers. Mine didn't come with washers. There's no washers. And the reason you need washers is because with the screws they supplied, you tighten them down all the way. I don't know if you can see this. The screw hits the aluminum extrusion before you've tightened the piece, like this angle bracket here. I've tightened this screw down as much as I can. It's hitting the aluminum extrusion, so it can't go any further. Yet this angle bracket here is still a little loose. See, I can move it. So those spacers, those washers that are mentioned in the manual, actually are needed, but I didn't get any. And there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There should be probably 78 of them, 78 spacers, 78 washers, to go with the 78 nuts that go into the aluminum extrusion. So yeah, my package should have come with washers, but is missing them. Okay, thank you. Bye.